Hi, I'm Jessica. Today I received a welcome bonus from my partner FN Markets. And follow me to get all the latest offers. All collections, ongoing offers, and promotions. How to avail the $50 sign-up bonus. How to avail the $50 sign-up bonus updated today. Kickstart your trading journey with $50 bonus. How to avail the offer. Complete full verification. To unlock the bonus, make sure your account is fully verified. Submit a valid government-issued ID or passport. Provide a proof of residence, e.g. utility bill or bank statement. Verify both your email address and phone number. Use only one account. Only one account per client is eligible for the promotion. Multiple registrations from the same IP address, device, or personal details will result in disqualification and account suspension. Each client is allowed to participate in this promotion only once. Eligible account types 1, Standard 2, Raw 3. Islamic. How does the bonus work? The welcome bonus is credited to your trading account for use in live trading and cannot be withdrawn. However, profits you earn can be withdrawn once the conditions are met. How to withdraw profits. Profits generated from trading with the bonus can be withdrawn, subject to trading volume requirements. Requires trading 4 standard lots. Only trades executed in Forex, metals, and cryptocurrencies will count toward the trading volume requirement. A minimum of 5 round-turn trades must be completed before withdrawal is permitted. Clients can withdraw profits once they have earned a minimum of $50 in profit, regardless of the bonus amount remaining in their account. Please note that the bonus itself cannot be withdrawn. To be eligible for profit withdrawal, clients must meet the minimum trading volume required for their bonus tier. If a client withdraws funds from their real account,